Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper dress. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking orange. You guys can take any color you like. So let's get started. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half like this. So after we complete this, we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. So you have to do this slowly. So after we complete this, we're just supposed to open the paper and we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side, and we just have to hold both sides of the paper like this, and we have to press it like this. So now we'll have a structure like this on both the sides. So now we just have to turn the paper to the opposite side like this, and we have to fold this paper in half. So I'm folding it in half. So now I'm just opening it and I'm folding the paper a little bit on the bottom like this. So now we just have to open the paper here and we just have to press on it like this. So it will be looking more like a dress at the bottom part. So after we do this, I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. So we just have to open this part and we have to press on it slowly. So we have to do it on both the sides, and I'm just pressing on it from the top so that it sits well in its position. So after we complete this, I'm just taking the top part of the paper and I'm folding it like this. So we just have to fold the paper on the top part like this. Now we just have to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to fold this part at the top part at the bottom, and we have to turn the paper back to this side. Now we have to turn the paper back again and we're just supposed to open this part here and we're supposed to fold it like this. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite part as well. Like this. So now after we complete this, I'm just opening it again and I'm folding the flap like this in this side. So we have to repeat it on the opposite side as well. So we have to open the flap like this and we have to fold it in this way. So we have to do this slowly and the top corner should be touching here. So after we complete this, I'm just folding the paper like this on both the sides. So the middle part should be coming in. So I'm folding the paper like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking the top part of the paper and I'm folding it to the bottom part like this, and I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. So after we complete this, our paper dress will be ready. So you can decorate it in any way you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!